We're in part 10. It's the final adventure, part 10. Even we're in the same, like, part 9 and 8. Yeah. Okay. Where's my axe? Oh, pickaxe. Huh? Huh? Give me a helmet. Oh. What about axe? But you have your own infinite blocks. I already have. Wait. I'll give you a shovel. I only got to go to shovel. No. That should be fine. I can trade you with more spurs so you can give me food now. I'm gonna dig all of this water. How did you didn't chop wood? Did you don't have an axe? Because they're from part 8. You're collecting us? Find coal there if there's nothing. If there's nothing. Okay. I'm gonna drown. Just come here. Oh, I have to wait for so hard. Where are you? Oh, I saw your text. Can't find a village. We just dug down. No. My inventory's full, so I can't save anymore. Who wants to drink some of this water? But I'm chopping wood. Wait, this is the last one. This is where I'll mine. Where are you? I found a cave! Oh, I can see your ship. I found a cave. I can trade you now 64. Getting hungry. No, you're spending. But I can't carry anymore. No. I don't want to drain the water because that's only water. Yeah. No. What about I can train you? This one, first wood. Oh no, I'm low on health. What do I want? I already have wood. I already have steel wood. But bro, you take me damage too. Oh. Yeah, there's some water down here. Just drain it. There's some water. Let's suck this. Who can pick it up? Do you need it for the cave or not? Oh, what? Oh. Don't worry, I'll You know what? I don't need it. Let's trash it. I found a cave last time. Wait. Follow my chopping trees. Oh. That should be fine. Oh yes, I need torches. There's only a dead end.
Let's stop branching. Oh
No,
no!
I think
Not a cave!
Oh wait.
No, it's just a dead end too. I found a jungle again. This is where we picked last time. It's not a house. It's just
Oh, I'm scared. Huh? I found a light here.
That's just a dead end. Wait. What did you say? Light?
Here's some wood.
There's one. There's a cave. Just a dead end. It goes even deeper. Follow my ways.
Ooh, I'm scared.
I'm coming. Hey, let's go.
Hey,
My glowstone comes from there.
yeah. Here's some wood I got.
And what's near to dirt on it? From there behind you.
I don't want.
Anything. Oh,
Yeah.
it's just a dead end.
Here.
I'm gonna trade you. Huh? Because my inventory is full. I can't carry anything. I have to put a water source from here.
Okay.
I want to make a water source for me.
Oh no, I trushed it. Oh, it became.
Trash.
Okay. I want food.
This only my last.
Hmm?
You only got a stupid chicken.
What? But you have your infinite blocks.
But yours, you have two.
It's so dark here. I'm scared.
What? Where? You still French money?
Yes. I start digging down. Ooh. Look, I want a way deeper. Hey, no, over here.
Wait, I'm coming.
Bruh.
My inventory is full, bro. I can't carry anymore.
I'm scared. It's a dead end. What about here? Oh wait, let's go. Iron.
It was just nothing.
Well, there's more. There's a cave there. It's dark. Oh, it's a dead end. This way.
Do we know of this one?
Wow!
Wait,
Dalawa sila.
it's like a space. We found a space.
Too many.
Yes. I found more coal.
And some are even deeper.
Ah! I found a cave over on above.
Wait, I fell in.
Wait, I can give you blocks if you ran out. Wait, I found iron over there. Can you collect it or not? You can do that later if you want.
Wait, you have to wait.
Ah! Oh no, I'm almost dead. I want to
Got
get out.
blocks, right? No. Oh, I thought it was blocks.
Bro.
This our way, bro. Look.
Woo! There's more over here.
I could take a lot of gold.
We don't need here. Ooh, what do we do? Oh, the hell. Ooh. Let's go this way. Ah! This way. There's so many coal. Can you help me?
There's an iron too.
Just collect it.
There's more coal here. You have to collect it together. There's more over here too.
So many ores.
We are from this one. I wish we can get rich. Because a lot of resources.
I don't need to mine coal because my inventory will be full soon.
How many batteries did you get?
28.
Mine is 38.
Bro. Okay, this way.
Wait. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's a dead end. My night vision wore off last time, right?
Yep. The chains are already back to normal. I thought it was Minecraft. It was just iron. I thought it was Minecraft. It was just water again.
On again.
Go somewhere even deeper. I cannot even place anything.
So many paths.
I place a lot.
Thought it was iron.
Where's the go? I can't see your track.
He is right here.
No way. I think I glowstone too. You're the same as me.
I just commanded. Wait, lava.
I'm still mining, bro. You have to wait for me.
Wait, there's lava. We're even deeper. Here, you can fly now.
No, I was still mining.
Okay. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, what? So many coal. Wait, redstone. I found redstone.
Oh, yay.
Okay, everyone. Bye.